This is going to be the color palette for my room, so I started by painting my room all white. The next thing I did is made this Pinterest-inspired fairy light headboard. Green truly makes me feel fresh and alive, so I got this grey checkered bedsheet which has a hint of green in it. And on the wall right next to the bed, I have some of the achievements from school. Every time I look at it, it makes me feel proud, and the memories of my teenage life swirls around my head. And right next to the bed, I have this work and makeup desk. I'm gonna fill the shelves with random stuffs. I reserve the ground shelf particularly for my everyday makeup and skincare. My students gifted me this last year on Teachers' Day, so it's very special to me. I utilized this to organize my lip liners and eye pencils. This is not only a candle holder but also aroma diffuser. Here you put in mixture of water and aroma oil, and at the back is where you put on a candle. When the burning candle heats the water, it starts vaporizing and diffuses aroma. Here are some achievements from college. Got this one on graduation day. Completed my basic mountaineering course from Himalayan Mountaineering Institute. Became Miss Freshers 2016. And here are some of my books that I have to read but haven't touched it yet. I'm gonna fill the rest of the shelves with some of my favorite books. I got this thin satin curtain for the windows because I wanted to allow maximum light inside my room. I sit at the end of the bed and utilize this mini desk to read and write journals. To the other part of the room, I have this dressing mirror which initially had silver border, but I painted it golden to match the color scheme of the room. To add a vanity touch, I added some fairy lights. Right next to the mirror, I placed this clothing rack which I'm going to utilize for organizing my seasonal everyday basic wear. Since it's winter, I'm going to add some neutrals and warm colored clothes. I got this braided handmade rug on Amazon for just $12.99. By the way, most of the things that I got was from Amazon, so if you would like to check them out, link is in the description box down below. The room is almost ready and this is how it looks.